Abarquez DJ.
Don't forget to blank the computer off when you leave the office. Shake, put, back, switch. The correct answer is switch. Switch off means to turn something off so that it stops working. He told me to blank up when I mentioned Harry's divorce. How rude. Stand, speak, put, shut. The correct answer is shut. Shut up means to stop talking. When did you blank up this business? It seems quite new. Start, take, fix, pull. The correct answer is start. Start up means to begin, initiate a project, business, conversation, and etc. Please don't blank out now. We need you to play on our team. Turn, back, take, run. The correct answer is back. Back out means decide not to do something after you have previously agreed to do it. My digital recorder won't blank back what it has recorded, so we can't listen to it. Play, turn, hold, give. The correct answer is play. Playback means to listen or watch a CD or DVD. We have a problem at work and the boss wants me to blank with it. Deal, get, make, stick. The correct answer is deal. Deal with means to be responsible for something that needs doing. I blanked in a letter of resignation today, and I will be leaving the company at the end of the month. Placed, wrote, pushed, handed. The correct answer is handed. Hand in means to give something to the person or place that needs to have it. I am blanked out with a great guy. We met on the internet. Taking, going, looking, waking. The correct answer is going. Go out with means to have a romantic relationship with somebody for a period of time. Could you blank up? We can't hear you here at the back of the class. Pop, cheer, speak, swell. The correct answer is speak. Speak up means to speak in a voice loud enough for others to hear clearly. I think I am blank in love with my French teacher. Should I tell her about my feelings? Turning, getting, going, falling. The correct answer is falling. Fall in love means to have loving or romantic feelings for another person very quickly. Start to like or enjoy something a lot.